Hello friends, we are back with a new video. This is the third part video of the National Science Olympiad 2018-19 Set A question paper of class 2. In this question paper, we will be dealing with 5 questions from the Achievers section. Before moving forward, let me request you to subscribe to this channel and give us your support so that we are encouraged to make videos like that. Share it if you like this and give us a like if you feel that the work is worth. Question 31. 4 different professionals are hidden in the given puzzle. This is the given puzzle. Solve and select the professional who is not hidden in the puzzle. So professionals are people who do a certain or specific type of work, specialized work, like a teacher does teaching, a doctor treats patients, a driver drives a vehicle, a swimmer swims, a farmer cultivates crops, etc. They are people of different professions. Okay, so they are professionals. So let's see what are the options. A option is person who makes clay pots. So clay pots, can we write here potter? P-O-T-T-E-R, potter. So it is here. So this cannot be the option. Let's cut that out first. Person who treats patient. Is there any doctor over here? Yes. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor is here. Okay. Now person who stitches clothes. That's a tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. It's also here. Person who sells medicines. Person who sells medicines is known as a pharmacist, a druggist, or a chemist. Okay, so let's see where these three names are there or not. Only this is left, so it could be driver, D-R-I-V-E-R, driver, but not pharmacist, druggist, or chemist. So I think this option is not there. Okay, but rest of the 3 options are there in the puzzle. So this would be the answer. This chemist, druggist is not present. That name is not present over here. Question 32. Study the given diagram and select the correct option regarding X, Y, and Z. Study the given diagram, this is the diagram, and select the correct option regarding X, Y, and Z. Okay, what is X then? X is a group of animals with 6 legs. Now these diagrams are called Venn diagrams. Okay, you will be studying these diagrams in your higher classes in the chapter called Sets in mathematics. So let's see what is X in every option. So X should have 6 legs. It should be an animal with 6 legs. Head louse has 6 legs. Butterfly has 6 legs. Bee has 6 legs. Cockroach has 6 legs. So X option, X animal for all the 4 options is correct. Okay. Now come to Z. Sparrow has wings. So Z should have wings. Spider has no wing. Okay, no wing. Okay, mosquito has wings. Then snail has no wing. I have given tick mark and cross marks over here. Okay, now come to Y. So Y should be an animal having 6 legs and wings also. So let's check out. Mosquito has 6 legs and also wings. Grasshopper has same 6 legs and wings. Ant has 6 legs and doesn't have any wing. Housefly has 6 legs and wing. So housefly is correct. And for Y category, ant is not falling under Y category. So Y, this is correct. This is correct. Okay. So let's check which one is having all the options correct, all the categories correct. So head louse, mosquito, sparrow. Here we can see everywhere there is a tick. So we would go with option A. Question number 33. Study the given flowchart to identify X, Y, and Z. Study the given flowchart. Given flowchart is here. to identify x, y and z. So here is x, here is y and there is z. Okay. Now let's see the flow chart. So they're talking about something, some unknown thing. Okay. Which is first option that they are giving is it is a means of transport. If yes, it's a means of transport, then next criterion is it moves on water. Okay, then if it fulfills this criterion also, that yes, it's moving on water, then that particular thing is X. If no, then it's running on special track. Okay, so if it is not moving on water, then it's running on special track. Okay, if running on special track, then yes, it will be Z. And if it is not running on special track, then it will be Y. Okay, so no is here. There is a no here, you can see. So this is the flow chart about some means of transport. Say this first means of transport is this one, second is this one, third is this one. Now we are given with certain options regarding this the name of X, Y and Z, from where we have to derive the actual names of these things X, Y and Z. Let's see the options. Option A, X should be a car whereas Z could be aeroplane. X could be a car whereas Z could be an aeroplane. So X could be a car. So if it is moving on water and they are saying yes, it is X, then X cannot be car. Okay, so this option is wrong. Okay, this option is wrong at first. Come to second option. Y could be a ferry whereas Z could be a helicopter. Ferry is something like a steamer, boat and moving on water. It's a ship, smaller ship type something. Okay, so Y could be ferry. Can Y be a ferry? It moves on water. From here we have to start. It moves on water. If they are saying no, then if it was yes, then it is X. Y is X. I mean, ferry should come here. It moves on water, but not here. Okay. Once you are saying that moves on water and no, then ferry should not go towards this side. Ferry should come towards this side only. Got it? So this option is also wrong. You cannot take this option. Y could be a ferry. No, Y cannot be ferry, and Y doesn't run in special track also. Okay. So X could be boat whereas Y could be bicycle. X could be boat whereas Y could be bicycle. Yes, or X could be a boat because yes, it moves on water. Then we are coming to X. So X, it's possible that X is a boat, and Y could be a bicycle. So something that doesn't move moves on water. So come to this here, runs on special track. No, bicycle is not running. So no comes to Y. Yes, bicycle doesn't run in special tracks. It could be tram, it could be aeroplane, etc. Which generally or train also, which runs in special track. Okay. So yes, Y is also possible here for this option, third option. So come to the fourth option. Y could be ship. First of all the water moving transports should come here on X. You have to first understand that. Okay, so Y could be a ship. Y cannot be a ship because once you are saying that no, it doesn't moves in water, then you are going on this track. Okay, you are going towards this line. So all water moving things should come over this side. Yes, it should come towards this side. Okay, so this option is also wrong. You need not have to read some more about this option. Okay, this much if you have read, it's clear that it won't go correctly. So we are left with this option. I think this is the correct option. X could be a boat whereas Y could be bicycle. You need not have to take any special tracks for riding a bicycle. It's the road only where you ride a bicycle, the simple roads. Okay, so we are going with option C, which is the correct option. Question 34. Which of the following groups consists of all modified edible stem? all modified edible stem. All modified edible stem means these are food, but when we study the plant of these products, we will see that they are modified stems. It is actually stem. Either stem is swollen, either the stem is elongated, either the stem is becoming hard or juicy, or the stem is becoming flattened. Some sort of modification is there about the stem. Okay, so option number A, brinjal, carrot and ginger. Brinjal is not a stem. Brinjal is a fruit only. Now carrot is a modification of root. The taproot becomes enlarged and gets into a carrot. Okay, and this is a modified stem. Ginger is a modified stem. Okay, now come to option this one, C. Here this is onion. Okay, this is modified stem. Okay, and this one is modified root. This is also modified root. Radish, turnip, these are modified roots. Okay, option D here is tomato. It's a fruit, it is root, and this is not a modified stem. Okay, come to B. This is sugarcane, portion of the sugarcane plant. Actually the stem portion only. This is a modified stem. The stem becomes juicy and the outer covering of the stem becomes super hard. Okay, now this is again a modification. Ginger is a modification of stem. Okay, and this is potato. This is also a modification of stem only. The stem gets swollen by accumulating starch and sugar content. Okay, so this and this is ginger. All the three are modified stems. So we would go with option B as a correct option. Question 35, the last question. Which of the following process in the given figure, this is the given figure, of water cycle is responsible for drying wet clothes? This is the figure, and they are giving some options, Q, R, P, S. Now in this diagram also they have named this phenomenon. What is happening here is being named by these letters P, Q, R, S. So for P, what is you can name P as evaporation. Water from water bodies evaporates to become clouds. Okay, this cloud formation is called condensation. Okay, so this is Q. This is called condensation. P is evaporation. I have named here while explaining these. I have named them here. So Q is condensation, P is evaporation, and R is precipitation. When the clouds start raining, it is called precipitation. So R here, the raining is called precipitation. Okay, and S, when this particular water comes over here and it gets into the soil and from there it enters into the water bodies, this is called infiltration. So precipitation, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, infiltration. Okay, so these are the four phenomena. Now they're asking for what is the portion or which phenomenon out of these four is responsible for drying of wet clothes. Why do our clothes, wet clothes in the sunlight, get dried after some time? It is actually because the water in the clothes gets evaporated in presence of sunlight. When there is sunlight, this causes drying of clothes. Okay, so here P is that phenomenon. So again, let's return to the question. Which of the following process is given in the given figure of water cycle is responsible for drying of wet clothes? So it should be P. Okay, we would go with option P. So friends, with that we come to the end of this video and also the question paper. Set A, National Science Olympiad 2018-19 for class 2. This is part 3 video. Don't forget to watch the part 1 and part 2 videos of this particular question paper. The science section and the logical reasoning section is dealt in these two parts. This is third part and it consists of only the achievers section. We will be back with another video of this sort. Until then, it's goodbye from our side. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like the content. Give us a like and share this video with others.